I'm just going to show you how to use the internal filling loop that Alpha supply with some of their boilers. This is an E-Tech Plus 33 kilowatt. As you can see, there's the filling loop. Make sure you connect it by screwing clockwise the bolt, otherwise you'll have water flying out everywhere. So make sure that's pushed over, tightened up before you open the filling loop. Afterwards, you can leave it connected. They do recommend you actually disconnect it, so obviously anti-clockwise, just undo it. But that is up to the customer really. I would expect most customers would just leave it like that now, connected. Right then, you've got two little taps, so open one up fully, as you can see I'm doing there. Once it's open fully, that then allows you to just open the second one a little bit, and you'll hear the water start to come through and start to pressure the system. Once you've got the pressure correct, undo that one. Well, close that tap again. Make sure that's closed, you've got the correct pressure, and then close the other one as well. Job done.